In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Steam QR code login. Now this is really useful to go and log into Steam on your computer using your mobile device. Now all we need to do is head over to either your Android or to your iPhone and go and load up the Steam app. Once you're on Steam, you need to log into your Steam account. Now click on the shield icon in the bottom navigation, and the first thing we need to do is make sure we have an authenticator added. So I'm going to click on Add Authenticator, and then you'll need to enter the code that will have been sent to your registered email. You'll then receive a 6-digit code that you'll need to go and save. Now this can be really useful in recovering your Steam account. Now click on Done, and that's going to open up the camera. Now all we need to do is go and open up Steam on our computer, and you'll see we have the option to sign in with a QR code. Now just go and point your Android phone at this QR code. You'll then need to click on Sign in to Steam on your phone, and that should automatically sign you into your account. After a couple of seconds, you'll then be signed in, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.